Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Stocks for Everyone. Waaree Energies have announced their Q1 FY26 results. And let us look at few important points along with the financial performance that is discussed in con call that happened in August 2025. Let us look at it one by one. Also guys, please note that this video is only for educational purpose and we don't recommend you to buy or sell any stocks. So all these views are not ours. So we are giving you the data that's collected from various sites based on the Q1 FY26 con call that happened from Waaree Energies side. Before investing in any stocks, please consult your financial advisor so that they can give you better suggestions. So without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so the first pointer that we are going to discuss is about the financial performance that is showcased in Q1 FY26. So if you look at the revenue, it rose by 31.5% year on year to 4,597 crores. And EBITDA climbed 83% year on year to 1,169 crores. And margins expanded over 700 basis points to 25.4%, which is really good. And PAT almost doubled year on year to 773 crores. And module output has hit a record of 2.3 gigawatt, a 64% YoY increase. Financial results in the Q1 FY26 was really good. Now let us look at their business and strategic developments. Now if you look at the Waaree Energies, so they are operating with the largest fully integrated solar manufacturing setup with current capacity is approximately around 10 gigawatt for modules and 5.4 gigawatt for cells. And the ongoing expansion is aiming to reach 26 gigawatt modules, 16 gigawatt cells and 10 gigawatt ingot and wafer capacity by FY27. Multiple new facilities are progressing on track and they have 10 gigawatt solar cell plant, 300 megawatt hydrogen electrolyzer facility, a 3.5 gigawatt battery storage plant, and a 3 gigawatt inverter plant. And if you guys already know, they frequently acquired Indo Solar, so that module capacity is around 1.3 gigawatt. So that added around 196 crores in revenue and 65 crores in EBITDA in this Q1. The 1.6 gigawatt US Texas plant is fully booked and set to double its capacity to 3.2 gigawatt. This is good. And if you look at their strategy, they are mainly into expansion and acquisition, right? And other stuff. So it's good. And the company's backward integration strategy reduces supply chain risks and ensures compliance with ALMM and FEOC norms. So ALMM is nothing but approved list of models and manufacturers that government releases, and so that will start from June 2026. Now, if you look at their market and geographic trends, right? So the domestic demand remains robust with 10.6 gigawatt solar capacity added in quarter one. The reinstatement of approved list of models and manufacturers from June 2026 is expected to further drive local demand, especially in commercial, industrial, and retail segments. In the US, demand is supported by AI data center expansion and reshoring efforts. Waaree is fully compliant with FEOC norms and benefits from 45x tax credits. That's good. Although anti-dumping probes are ongoing, Waaree remains confident due to its diversified global presence and strong contract safeguards. The company is also advancing its footprint across Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and Australia, aligned with India's trade policy. Now, if you look at their technology and product portfolio, a swift transition is underway from monoperc to TOPCon technology, which is expected to dominate within the next 3 to 7 months, despite higher capital requirements. Maintaining high efficiency and strong gross margins remains a strategic priority in the face of rising input costs. So they are basically saying that they want to focus on increasing their gross margins because of the increasing cost. And 3.5 gigawatt battery energy storage system plant is under development with a 2000 crore investment. So they are having their eyes onto best segment. The 3 gigawatt inverter manufacturing facility will become operational within FY26. That's good. A 300 megawatt hydrogen electrolyzer plant is planned for commissioning by FY27. In partnership with NL Green Power, Waaree's renewable power infrastructure project has secured 650 crores in equity with PPA signed for 170 megawatt and approximately 5 gigawatt grid connectivity target. So they're having big expansion plans, and all these once done would potentially add up to their revenue, but we need to see how these expansions are executed and they get the right output with these. Now, main thing is past performance will never tell us about the future performance, right? But now let us look at their guidance and outlook for coming years, right? So the company has guided for FY26 EBITDA between 5,500 to 6,000 crores, including contributions from Indo Solar. So they're guiding for 5,500 to 600 crores. This also includes their Indo Solar acquisitions. So EBITDA would be around 5,500 to 6,000 crores. So that's good. Let's see if they can achieve this. And module capacity is set to ramp up to 25 gigawatt within 6 months, with full cell and wafer integration expected by FY27. Their total planned capital expenditure stands at 15,000 crore over 2 years, supported by a cash reserve exceeding 7,500 crore and a debt-free position. So they are basically planning for 15,000 crore capex in next 2 years. Whereas a solid order book of 25 gigawatt, approximately around 49,000 crores, and a strong project pipeline exceeding 10 giga, sorry, my bad, 100 gigawatt, ensuring visibility for next 1 to 1.5 years. So already sitting with a order book of around 49,000 crores, which is really good. Now, if you look at a few risks and challenges, so potential US policy shifts, especially anti-dumping investigations, remain a concern, but Waaree is safeguarded by strong contracts and global manufacturing presence. Volatility in input prices, particularly solar, glass, and cells, is expected, but management is confident in cost pass-through mechanisms. So they are basically trying to improve their margins, even though the cost is increasing day by day, right? Their input costs. And there's also something that they're talking about the competition. So competitive intensity is increasing as peers expand capacities. Waaree's integrated model and regulatory compliance will serve as key differentiators. While ALMM and DCR policy shifts create uncertainty, their near-term impact is minimal due to a robust order book. So basically, they have very good order book. So that's what they're confident on, right? Now, if you look at the management sentiment and positioning, the leadership remains highly optimistic about execution and demand prospects, with a strong focus on sustaining gross margins to meet EBITDA targets. The company is well prepared for evolving regulations thanks to transparent accounting and secure contracts. Waaree sees itself as a comprehensive energy transition solutions provider, aiming to grow its share beyond modules into EPC storage, inverters, and grid connectivity. So they are basically targeting for expanding their portfolio, right? Now, to conclude, Waaree Energies is rapidly scaling its integrated solar operations, backed by strong financials, robust domestic and global order books, and diversification into battery storage, hydrogen, and renewable power infrastructure. With a healthy balance sheet and strategic risk controls, the company is well positioned to leverage favorable policies and tap into emerging energy transition opportunities. Okay, so this was the highlights of Q1 FY26 for Waaree Energies. And if you see, they are mainly focusing on their capex plans. They are mainly focusing on their improving the margins, and also they are mainly focusing on getting their capex into products, right? They want to make more and more business. They want to create more revenues going forward. So here we need to see how well they can execute and if they can really be a good stock that people can focus on, right? But see, all this was just for education purpose to bring in insights to you guys, and we don't give any views on what we think. So you can think if this is good, then you can go with it. If you think this is not good, then you will not go with this. That's not our call. So please consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decision, right? So let us see. If you find this video useful, then please hit that like button. It takes a lot of effort to collate information from multiple sites, verify them, and come back. So don't believe any information that is shown here. Go verify yourself. Even you can use something like ChatGPT or Google News so that you can validate these informations, right? And comment down in the comment section if you want me to cover any other stock, right? And you guys supported us with battery energy storage system stocks that the video that was going really good in our channel, but then YouTube has striken it down. but I don't know really why, because we did not promote any buy or sell recommendation in that stock rate. So I have removed that video. But let's see, even Imadri Specialty Chemicals was taken down for no reason. I appealed, but still it's taken down. I'm not sure why it's taken. So let's see if this video can do really well. So we want your support at this tough time, guys. Thank you all. See you guys in the next one. Bye.